Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max Power Car Wash. First, ensure your car is cool to the touch and out of direct sunlight to prevent premature drying. Rinse off any loose dirt or grime with a strong stream of water. This initial step is crucial for preventing scratches during the washing process. Prepare your two-bucket system, one for soapy water and one for rinsing your wash mitt. Now, let's mix the solution. For optimal results, combine 2 ounces of Max Power Car Wash concentrate with 1 gallon of water in your wash bucket. Dip your clean wash mitt into the soapy water, ensuring it's fully saturated. Begin washing the vehicle from the top, working your way down in small, manageable sections. This method helps prevent dirt from being spread across already clean areas. When washing, use gentle, straight-line passes with your mitt, avoiding circular motions which can create swirl marks. After washing a small section, rinse your mitt thoroughly in the separate rinse bucket to remove trapped dirt. This keeps your wash water cleaner and reduces the risk of scratching. Immediately rinse the washed section with clean water to prevent soap from drying and leaving water spots. After rinsing the entire vehicle, it's time to dry it quickly to avoid water spots. Use a high-quality, soft microfiber drying towel, gently blotting or wiping the surface. For an extra layer of shine and protection, consider applying a spray wax or sealant. This will help maintain your car's finish and make future washes easier. Remember to check the description below for links to the products mentioned, including some great deals on durable socks and other car care essentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.